Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. Let's go ahead and get into our NASDAQ top-down analysis. So starting here on the weekly, I have marked out the previous week high, previous week low, and 50% of that range. And then moving into the daily, as we can see, we are currently in yesterday's range, so just take note of that. And then dropping into the 4-hour, so to go over what price action did, as we can see, we did make a move down into our discount area that I had marked out last week, and I still have the 50% here. So we dipped down into discount and then had a market structure shift to the upside, and you can see that better on the hourly. So looking at the hourly now, we can see we came down into discount and then had this market structure shift to the upside, and we have just been doing the same since, creating these imbalances. And as you can see right now, we seem to be respecting 50% of this imbalance. So to me, price looks like we want to start going higher to take out some of this buy side liquidity. But to get into the scenarios, I am going to be watching these two levels here. So previous week high, and then 50% of this hourly fair value gap over here. So this big one, just 50%, I'll be watching for break and retest. So I'll just wait for price to get above and then a retest of one of these levels for another move higher, and then we target previous highs all the way up. And then we do have these key levels if you're able to leave a runner, but targeting these highs are definitely higher probability. And then that is honestly the only scenarios I'm pretty much looking for. The only way I would look to short this is if we get back below this discount area and we retest, failing to get back above. So if we do happen to come back down to this discount area, it would just be a break and retest for shorts, and then we target previous lows and all of this sell side liquidity, which are just these lows. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Just set alerts around these levels and observe the price action. So just set alerts, and then once we get there, just drop into the lower time frames and try and get a good entry. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys have a good one, and I will catch you tomorrow.